State versus Monica Estrada. And we have Sharon, Thorne as attorney of record.
Yes, Your Honor. Has my client logged in? I'm not sure. I was just texting her to see if she's logged in yet.
Monica Estrada. She is absent at this moment. I show you present, Ms. Thorne. Thank you.
I'm texting her right now, Your Honor.
609-616, State versus Joe Rubio. And that's Richard Langlois. Joe Rubio.
Your Honor, I thought they were scheduled today. Never mind.
Well, it shows Joe Rubio on here is there. All right. Joe Rubio is absent. And at this point, Mr. Langlois is also.
Help him, Pastor Turk. Help, Dad.
Hello. Hello. 617751, State versus Jason Bauman. And that is Kirby Wallen.
It's only been like 2 or 3 days, 4 days, but that's not enough. That's not enough.
Kirby Wallen. No answer. Jason Bauman is marked absent. 623956, State versus Thomas Hernandez, Angela Blake. Thomas Hernandez. Marked absent. And Angela Blake.
Your Honor, this is Sharon Thorne. My client, Monica Estrada, is online now. I don't know if she was not online when you called.
All right. Mr. Estrada, good morning. I had marked you absent since you called the doctor already.
I told Judge Glenn, Mr. Marron, that I don't want to be on pills. I know my immune system's strong enough for it to kick it out.
Somebody's
I don't want to take no pills.
Somebody's talking and I'm trying to call a docket.
It's an inmate, Judge. They logged him on, but it looks like it's a deputy.
You muted him or somebody?
Yes, sir.
All right,
I did.
thank you. 629509, State versus Silverio Alonso.
Here, Your Honor.
Where are you? Good morning, Mr. Alonso.
Good morning, Mr. Honor.
Let's see, that is Sophia Martinez is your attorney. Attorney e-filed motion to withdraw. All right, we'll deal with that later. Stick around, sir. 65788, State versus Andres Ruiz. And that's Jennifer Locke. Attorney Jennifer Locke. Marked no answer. And Andres Ruiz, last call. Andres Ruiz is absent.
Yeah.
636652, State versus Jasnick Laney. And it's Marshall White.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Marshall.
I see my client is on the call as well.
All right, where's she at? Ms. Jasnick, wave your arms or say something.
Good morning.
Okay, I see you now. Good morning to you, ma'am. Mr. White, what are your wishes?
Your Honor, I'd like to confer with Mr. Elderman.
You're number one to confer.
Thank you.
We'll set you up right after the call of the docket.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. I don't want to repeat all the exact words that the deputy said that the defendant, Harris Pay, said, but he's not coming. He's not going to come on to be logged on.
Which one's that one?
It's on the last page, the add-on, the 9 o'clock inmate ordered.
Okay. That is Harris Pay, P-A-Y-E.
Yes, sir.
Refused to leave cell to be interviewed for a PR bond. And now he's refusing to cooperate with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Refusal. Make sure we note that in the file, please.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, this is Matthew Brown. That's my client. I just was appointed on this over the weekend. Haven't had an opportunity to meet with him yet.
It sounds like you're the lucky guy today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Your client has refused to cooperate with anyone at the jail, at least court-wise. So we'll,
Yes, sir.
we'll talk, you want to talk to the state about that, or
If I could confer, that'd be nice, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'll name you as number 2 for conferring.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Good luck. 644317, State versus Roberto Vasquez, and that is Robert Featherston. Robert? It's not like him, he's probably somewhere else. All right. And Roberto Vasquez, I'm marking absent at this time. Mr. Featherston, I'm showing no answer. 645670, State versus Bianca Lucio, and that's Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Robert.
Present with, she's supposed to be there. She's on.
Well, let's see.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present today.
Ms. Lucio, very good.
Yes,
Thank you for being here on time, both of you. Mr. Valdez, what are your wishes?
My wishes are to confer. I had talked to Mr. Adelman some time ago.
Mr. Edelman, I'll mark you number 3 for conferring, and we'll see how we come up with it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day. I'll be available. 651778, State versus Raymond Bohuslav.
Present, Your Honor.
Ronald Zimmerman.
And counsel is present, Judge, and good morning.
Good morning to you. Good to see you. How's all your family? Everybody okay?
Everybody's doing just fine, Judge, and how are
Good.
you?
We're all well. Thank you for asking.
Good.
You want to confer? What do you want to do?
Yes, Judge, if I could confer with the state in a breakout when.
We'll do that shortly. Your number 4 won't take long.
Okay,
Thank you. 653066, State versus Luis Tobias. And that's Brian O'Donnell. I'm seeing already here. Brian, how are you?
Very well, thank you, Judge. I hope you're doing well.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to think so.
He was sent the invitation. This is a new case, so I have not talked to him on this case, but I have represented him in the past. So the last time I talked to him actually was in February on a different case.
All right. We're going to reset you for 30 days so you can familiarize yourself with the case. But at this point, is Luis Tobias on board? Luis Tobias. At this point, Brian, we're going to show him absent.
Very well. I'll try to get a hold of him, Your Honor. I apologize.
All right. Thank you, sir. 655092, State versus Marlo Gonzalez. Marlo Gonzalez does not show an attorney of record. Marlo Gonzalez, last call, shown absent. 657002, State versus Krista Salt. Krista Salt.
Yes, Judge. I'm here on behalf of Courtney Daly, and Ms. Salt is with us. And Judge, we would just like to place this on the trial docket.
Trial docket.
And if you want to make a note on the file as well, Judge, that we are asserting our right to a speedy trial at this time.
Have you done that in writing, or are you just telling me about it?
I'm telling you about it right now, but we can do it in writing as well, Judge.
I would suggest you do that. Speedy trial demand. And Ms. Salt, I'm tempted
Yes.
to ask you if you have a cousin named Pepper, but that'd be it's a little too corny, but that's not beyond me either. All right. Ms. Garcia, my coordinator, will be in touch with you, Ms. Daly. She will be assigning you to trial.
Okay. May Krista be excused,
Yes,
Judge? Okay.
you both may
Thanks,
be.
Krista.
Ms.
Okay,
Ms.
thank
Garcia
you.
will
Bye.
be in touch with you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know, but
You're welcome.
I'll log in I'll log in at 10, no matter what I'm doing.
657036, State versus Julia Solis, and that's Jason Goss is attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gary Hillier for Mr. Goss. Ms. Solis is present with counsel, and we are, I believe, set for a plea.
All righty. I will note that. Thank you, sir. We'll be with you shortly. Scheduled for 10:30. 657-887 State versus Richard Gonzalez, and that's Alma Benavides. Alma Benavides' attorney shown no answer.
Judge, it's
Well,
scheduled
actually, it's too early.
for-
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
My apology. 658-155 State versus Efrain Aguilera, and that's Brian O'Donnell again.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Don't
again.
know if my client is on the Zoom. I did speak with him yesterday afternoon along with his mother. They have the information.
Uh-huh.
I
Are they
did,
not here this morning?
I don't
At
know,
this point?
not yet, Your Honor, but
I don't see them. All right. We'll wait while see if they show up.
very well. Thank you, Judge.
By the way, Mr. O'Donnell, I do show this individual as having a warrant pending. 659-049 State versus Maya Candelaria, and that is Julie Pollock. She's
Good
at
morning, sir.
186. Good morning, Ms.
Julie's gonna be
Candelaria.
late today.
Right, we have a note that she's in the felony court, so I'll mark her present, and I'll mark you present. Where are you, ma'am? Candelaria?
Yes, right here.
There you are. On my screen, you're right in the middle. All right, just hang around with us, and we'll see when she gets here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
659, you're welcome. 659-063, State versus Samuel Tovar, no attorney of record. Samuel Tovar. Samuel Tovar is marked absent at this time. 659-065, State versus Rolando Rivera Jr., and that is Stacy Krause. I think I've
Yes,
seen
Judge.
you here.
Yes, Rolando Rivera is here as well, Judge.
All right, I see him. Mhm.
I need to speak
Just to
with,
be accurate, this is Rolando Rivera Jr.
yes.
We don't want to confuse him with his dad.
Yeah.
Judge, I would just like to speak with Rolando in the breakout room because I'm trying to figure out what's actually going on.
All right, Patricia, if you would be kind enough to place Ms. Kraus and Mr. Rivera in a breakout room.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Then we have an 11 o'clock add-on. Actually, it's 3 cases on the same individual. 647-981, 652-160, 655-699. All the state of Texas versus Lynn Bentley Terrica. And that's Nathan Navy is the attorney of record. That's 11 o'clock. They're not here, and appropriately so. All right, that's the docket for this morning. Now, anyone that expected their name to be called that they did not hear it or came in a little bit late, speak up now. We'll,
Jason Bowman.
Mr. Bowman, Jason Bowman. All right, your attorney is Kirby Walland, and he is not here at this point. Have you heard from him?
Yeah, I talked to him yesterday, but he said he wasn't going to be on this early. He said that he should be showing up later on during the trial.
He's doing a trial?
No, he said that he's busy doing something that he'll be on a little bit later for the trial or for the hearing.
All right, Patricia, have you heard from him at all? Any kind of message or contact?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then I am marking him not
I'm
answering.
Monica Estrada.
Ms. Estrada, yes, you were number 1, and your attorney is Ms. Sharon Thorne, and you both have answered. Ms. Thorne, what were your wishes?
We're supposed to do a plea today, and I believe the paperwork should be ready.
All right, we'll inquire into that shortly.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You'll be the first plea.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else that wants to speak up that did not answer at 9 o'clock?
Yes, Your Honor. I have Shannon Locke for Andres Ruiz, and we've applied for PTD.
Which case is that number? Oh, there's she. Well, no, Jennifer Locke. Let's see.
That's it, Judge.
That's
Yes, that is Jennifer Locke. I'm her husband.
well, I was going to say Jennifer Locke has had a terrible tragedy. Looks like you now.
It'd be a terrible tragedy. Terrible.
All right.
I thank God she doesn't look like me.
Let's see that. I'm gonna mark on here. Shannon. Are y'all working together with each other's cases, Shannon?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. She's the bondsman because she's a little tougher than I am.
All right. All right. And have you heard from Andres Ruiz?
We have, Judge. We've applied for pretrial diversion, I believe, on that case.
All
It's
right.
pending.
So apply PTD. How long ago did y'all do that? Do you know?
I believe we did that a couple weeks ago, Judge.
So do we need 30 days or 60 days? Probably 30.
If we could
isn't
get
it?
60 days, that'd be great.
Okay, well, I'll give you the 60 then, since that's going to wind up getting wiped out anyway. All right, Mr. Locke, alias Jennifer Locke, y'all are excused. Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Judge, I'm back from the breakout room with my client Rolando Rivera Jr.
Ms. Kraus, what are you?
I was just confirming with him that he had hired Raymond Vale because he had told my office that, but Raymond Vale has not filed an appearance yet. He said that he spoke with Raymond Vale's office this morning, and that Raymond Vale that he sent Raymond Vale the information I had sent him about the Zoom, and that Raymond Vale is supposed to be showing up today for the Zoom. I don't believe he's here. I don't know if anyone from his office is here.
The operative word is supposed to, right?
Right. So this is what my understanding is that he's hired Raymond Vale.
Is he present? Oh yeah, he is present. That's where you were
Yes.
in the breakout. What's the case number, Casey?
It's
659065, Your Honor.
Yes.
6590. Here it is, right where my finger is. Mr. Rivera.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have hired Mr. Vale?
Yes, sir.
Well, you're starting out poorly if he's not here at this moment or contacted the court.
Yes, I spoke with him 3 weeks ago, and I've just been talking with I guess his office manager, and she had asked for
Mr. Rivera, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you wait and see if he shows up, or we somebody has the courtesy to contact us and let us know what's going on behalf of your lawyer. So right now, just stand and sit tight. Anybody else that did not answer at 9 o'clock?
Judge, may I be excused?
Who, Ms. Kraus?
Yes.
Okay, yes, ma'am, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Anybody else?
Your Honor, can we start placing the people in breakout rooms?
One moment, Mr. Zimmerman, I see you, and I don't think you answered at 9, did you? Yes, you did. I apologize. Yes, you did. I marked you present.
Okay.
All right. Number one, that'll be conferring with Marshall White regarding Jasnik Laney. Mr. Edelman, are you ready to confer with Mr. White?
Yes, I am, sir.
All right, then Patty, would you place them in breakout so they can confer?
Yes, Your Honor. It's breakout room 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. All right. Ms. Morgan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I was going to place you to confer with regarding Matthew Brown regarding Mr. Pay, but he is indisposed. So
No, Judge, you didn't want to put Mr. Brown with
what good does it do for him to confer if he's got a client that's not cooperating? I did mark him for conferring. Mr. Brown, what are your wishes?
Your Honor, I just got off the phone with the deputy at the jail, and what I'd like to do, I'd actually like to speak with Ms. Morgan about my client and then go ahead and get a reset. And what I want to do is set up a jailhouse visit with my client in the next day or so.
All righty.
So I'd like to have something to take to him.
Okay, Ms. I'm a little bit reluctant because I don't want to do favors for somebody that's not really cooperating, but that's not your fault. Let's see what we can do. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Brown
Thank you.
and Ms. Morgan, will you please confer?
Thanks, Your Honor.
Patricia?
Breakout room 3.
All right. As soon as they're through conferring, Mr. Edelman will confer with Robert Valdez. And then Ronald Zimmerman, you'll be the other 3 and 4 respectively. So court will be in recess. Anybody else that did not answer at 9 o'clock? Okay, just stand in recess, relax.
Your Honor, I just got a text message from, well, I didn't see it, but at 9:03,